Hi children, today I am going to explain common factors and common multipliers. Okay, already you have learned factors and multipliers. Okay, factors like divisors, multipliers like tables. Yes, okay. Today common factors and common multipliers. Okay, first I will explain common factors. Okay, find the common factor. First, I will take on one example. Find the common factors of 75, 60 and 210. Common factors. First, we have to write separately factors. First one, factors of 75. Factors of 75 is, see here, 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and itself. It's factors like divisors 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. Okay. Next factors of 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 30 and itself. One more, 20, 20 and itself also. Okay. Next, 210. Factors of 210. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 14, 15, 21, 30, 35, 42, 70, 105 and 210 itself also. Okay. They are asking find the common factors 75, 60, 210. Okay. One is always common factor in all numbers. Yes, common factors. Common factors 1. Next 3 is there. Yes, 3. Next 5. Next number 15. 15 is, yes, 25, no, 75, no, only 1, 3, 5, 15. The common factors of 75, 60 and 220 is 1, 3, 5, 15. This is a final answer. Understand? Common factors. First you have to write factors, after you have to round off common factors, and last you have to write common factors 1, 3, 5, 15. Understand? Okay. Next I am going to explain common multiplies. Okay. Next, first one, example, find the, according to example you have to understand the common multipliers and common factors. Find the common multipliers of 3, 4 and 9. Okay. First you have to write multiplies of 3 and 4 and 9. Okay. See here, multiplies like tables. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, so on. Okay, etc. Next, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, and so on. Next, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81. Okay. Next, 4 7s are 28, 4 more you have to write, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Okay. See here, multiple of 3, 6, 9 up to 12 multiples you have to write, 4 and 9. Here I will write common multipliers you have to find out. See here, 3 no, 6 no, 9 no, 12 here is there but here not there. Okay, 15 no, 18 no, 21 no, 24 is there, yes, 24 here is there but here not there, so this is also cancel. Here 27, but here is there, but for multiple of 4 not there. 30 no, 33 no, 36 is there. 36, 36, 36. Common multipliers of 3, 4 and 9 are 36. Okay. You have to write more multipliers and common multipliers are increases. Okay. Simply I will tell one example. You have to write once again you have to write, and more problems are there. Exercise 3.4. Find the common factors of these A, B, C, D. They are given, and common factors of these 3 numbers, and first 3 common multipliers of this one. 1, 2, 3. These 3 mains are homework. Okay. You have to solve. Understand? Okay. Thank you.